to teach you how to import videos and audio within Google Slides. All right, so let's start first with how to import videos, okay? Import videos. All right, if you want to import a video, right? And some of you have been asking about a timer. How do you import a timer? To import a video from YouTube, you want to go to YouTube, type in YouTube, and then find a timer. What I did was I went to Timers Countdown, and it gives you a list of timers. Sometimes it's best if you know like specifically what time you want, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then you'll basically just put in 5-minute timer countdown, you know, or you'll put 10-minute timer countdown. But I'm going to use one right here, an electric one. You have to click on it, make sure the video works, make sure all the ads, go through. So just make sure all the ads go through, skip them, and then make sure that the video actually works. Right? This one has music, so you gotta always be careful about that. So check. You can put Timers Countdown with no music, okay? And also it'll give you that. So you'll pick the one without music. Make sure you watch it again. No music on it. All right. So let's go back to our presentation. Once you know which video you want to put in, you're going to go to your Google Slide and you're going to say Insert, and then you're going to go to Video. It's going to ask you to put in the YouTube URL. So go back to your video and you want to copy the URL, which is up here. It's this right here. And you just copy it. Go back to the slide, paste it inside, and then hit the search button. Once the search button shows up, it'll show you the video right here. You want to click on the video and then hit select. And then the actual video comes in like that. Now, you can do a lot here. You can have it auto play when it first come on. You can actually mute the audio if you want to mute the audio. You can change the size, the position, drop a shadow. But I usually leave it alone unless I really want it to come on beforehand. And then you hit present to see if it works. The screen comes up, you press play, and look, our timer is working, and that's what your students will see. That's how you import the videos. All right, I'm going to pause that. I'm going to exit back out. All right, now let's go to import videos and audio. All right, now this is where it gets a little funky at, but you should have 3 things opened up. You should have YouTube opened up, and you should also have this website opened up as well. This is called YouTube to MP3 converter. So I'm going to go back out. I'm going to go to Google to teach you how to get there. You're going to go YouTube to MP3. So all you have to put down, YouTube to MP3. And it's usually the first one. It's the ytmp3.cc. Okay? I'm also going to copy this and paste it so that you can see it in the Google Slide. So real fast, I'm going to add the text so that you can actually see the link. We'll make it a little bit bigger, make it white so that you can see it, and make it bigger. So this is the actual link you want to go to get to this. So again, you should have your YouTube up, the YouTube to MP3 converter, and what you should also have open up is just your Google Drive, okay? Your Google Drive should be open, right? So again, let's go through it again. You should have your Google Drive open. You should have your 5-minute timer open, and you should have your YouTube to MP3 converter open, okay? I'm going to add another folder and call it audio, create audio. And then I'm going to go here. All right. So now you go look first for the audio that you want. So you got to go to YouTube. All right. Find the audio that you want. Let's say I want a R&B instrumental. Let's say 90s R&B instrumental, okay? I'll go with, again, you got to wait, skip the ads. I see the one I want. I want Total Kissing You. So I'm going to click it. And I'm going to make sure that it's really an instrumental. All right, it's an instrumental. Now, this is the one I want. So you're going to go back to the URL, and you're going to copy it. Then you're going to go to the YouTube, the MP3 converter, and you want to leave it at MP3. This button right here, leave it where it's at, MP3. And then you want to paste the URL in. Once you paste the URL in, then you want to hit the convert button. It takes a little time. The shorter the song, the faster the conversion. The longer the song, the longer the conversion. So right now it's converting the video, the YouTube video, into an audio format. Once you have it, and it says download Dropbox Convert Next, just download it. X out the screen, it opens up another window, just X that out. But the actual song gets downloaded. For Mac, it usually just opens up right away in my Mac, and I just get rid of it right away. All right. Now, you did those parts. You went to YouTube, got the song, you converted it. Now I want you to go to your Google Drive. In my audio folder, I'm going to find where it downloaded at. Well, I'm sorry. In my regular folder, where it downloaded at, here goes the song. And I want to move it into my Google Drive. So the song is going from my computer. I just downloaded it, and now it's going into my Google Drive. So you got to make sure you take that song and put it in your Google Drive. I put it in my audio file under my Google Drive. All right, there we go. Now you go back to the presentation. All right, you want to add the audio now. So you go to Insert, Audio. Click that audio button. You want to go to My Drive, not shared with me, not recent. Go to My Drive, and you see the file shows up. You click the file, then you hit Select. And there go the file right there. You can move it anywhere you want to. Now, you can hit Play on Click or Play automatically. Okay? I want to hit it on Click, but just so you can see what it looks like, I'm going to do it automatically. Okay? You can do the volume that you want. I don't want my volume to be too loud. I want it to be 50. You can hide the icon when presenting. So if you don't want this to be shown, you'll just hit Hide Icon. All right? And that should be it. So let's present. Let's see what happens. So let's just say it was presented to the students. All right, students. You see the video comes on right away. You don't see the icon. You have 5 minutes to do your work. Hit the timer. And voila. I hope this helped you understand how to import videos and audio within your Google Slides.